Think you've heard it all about animals? Wait till you hear these 5. They sound fake, but are completely real. Number 1, butterflies taste with their feet. Yep, tiny sensors on their legs tell them if a leaf is good to eat. Number 2, an octopus has 3 hearts, and 2 of them stop beating when it swims. Number 3, a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Sounds fancy, right? Number 4, hedgehogs cover themselves in foam made from their own spit. It's their weird way of self-defense. And number 5, there's a jellyfish that can technically live forever. It just reverts to its younger form instead of dying. Nature doesn't just surprise us, it rewrites the rules.